Welcome back, everybody. It's Big Al. I've got a challenge lock in the vise that says "This is Sparta," and it's by Cameron Dunn. And I have not tried this one yet, so we're going to take this journey together. I do already have it in the vise in this fancy pink kick holder because we are using all this awesome pink stuff for to show a little bit of love for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Again, another shout out to Bobby Keys for making a whole bunch of this stuff. It's highly appreciated. Like I said, I haven't tried this one yet, so I don't have a clue what's going to happen. I just put it in the vise, and we'll take this journey together. It is a fairly wide open keyway, and let me see. I'll probably start off with this the Peterson gem, since it's usually my go-to, because like I said, it's fairly wide open, and it's got that ledge right there that I think I'll be able to, yeah, I should be able to use that, pick right off of. So let's dig into this bad boy right here and see what happens. Oh boy, that's nice, and I think that's about the thickest tension wrench I have. I think it's the 50 thousandths or something. But we'll have to go with that. Alright. Bada boom, bada bang. Let's, you know what? Let me, you can't really see the whole tension wrench here. Let me, I know some people like to see all that. There we go. Bada boom, bada bang. And I'm, I know I still probably got some work to do adjusting that new LED, but I think I like it already. I like the LED compared to the other light I was using. I think it's more clear, more crisp, but I still have to figure out the, you know, fine tune it a little bit. I'll probably do it over the weekend, but so far I'm liking the different, I'm liking the LED. And I highly appreciate y'all's input that I asked for on the last video. Y'all helped me a lot. Okay, get a feel for it here. I'm already getting a binder like 2, 3. Alright, let me recock. Let's do this. Yep, binder, I think it's 2. Little tiny click. That was like 4, I think. Got a little click. Bouncy in the back. Force stuck. I think 3 is up. Counter rotation. Okay, got a nice little click. I think that was 3. 2. 1 kind of clicked. 2. 3. 4. Alright, we got one way down at the bottom here. Alright, I think I said it. I believe it was 5. Now I'm not really getting any, let's see if I can get something to talk to me here. Not really. Nothing's talking. Okay, let's make it talk. Right here. There we go. Felt pretty good. I think that was 4. 3. Okay, we've got a false set going. 1. If I can stay under it. 2. 3. 4. Yep, something's, I'm going to try this bad boy right here. If I can get it to set. Boy, that's loose in there. Alright, got that false set back. There's something crunchy in the back big time. Okay, I think I dropped, let me see, I think I dropped 2 or 3 here. Let me see. I mean pin 2 or pin 3, not 2 or 3 pins. Boy, these are really hard to stay under. Not sure why. Two, 3, 4. Okay, I've got something overset. Nice job. Ooh, there we go. Might be getting somewhere now. I think we dropped 5. Something in the back's nasty, boy. Alright, I think we got a deeper false set now. There we go. Bada boom, bada bang. Beautiful. That was freaking fun. I gotta tell you, I like that. That was great, man. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let me get backed out a little bit here. Or a lot of bit here. Get this bad boy out of here. Alright, yeah, that was freaking fun. Alright, get that out of the way. The camera down over here. Grab that pink pinning tray. Alright, we're good. Let's see. Alright, good enough. Okay, so we're very much open. Bada boom, bada bing. Let me see. We do have, oh, I didn't even show the damn key. Alright, so we'll lock it back up. The key wasn't mummified, so there's the bitting on the key. Does work like butter. Okay, let's get that clip off the back here. Hopefully without too much trouble. Oof. Okay, or with some trouble. There we go. Come on, baby. Gotcha. I got you. All right. Tell you what, I like that little tool, man. That's really paid for itself. Okay, so we got a kind of a funky back. It's got a split in it, so I'll definitely try and use a shim on that bad boy right there, just to kind of bridge the gap. Alright, nice. Use the pink follower and see what we got going on here. Here we go. Alright, a 5 pinner. Come on. Fair to say they all needed picking. Oops, that was 5, I mean 4. And there's 5. Okay. Of course, everything's got to come out upside down. Alright, get some specs on here. Alrighty, pokey poker. On the core, we've got threading in 1, 2, and 5. 3 and 4 are standard. Let's see if we can get that. Trying to get the angle right here. Where am I at? There we go. So 1 and 2 and 5 are threaded. Alrighty. Go upstairs here with some tweezers. and see what we got. One looks like a, if I can hold it up, a serrated. Little baby spring. Two is a almost spooled like in number 2. Three is single serration, looks like. Four looks like a spool. Yep, 4 is a spool. And throw the back side for 5, I guess. Try to. 5 is a serrated. Sorry, I just realized I tapped that microphone. I hope that wasn't a real bad thing. And let's see, we've got nothing in the Bible. I don't see anything up in there. Nada. Well played. Well played, sir. Okay, again, that was called This is Sparta by Cameron Dunn. And I'm going to put this right here like so. And we'll see if we can get a nice look at these pins. I do have the, let me see, I'm going to bring the light a little bit over here, because last time I shadowed it. There we go. Alright, where are we at? Okay, where's my pokey? Key pins, we've got a, I call it a spool in number 1, serrated in number 2. 3 is kind of this reduced deal with some serrations on it. 4, I'd call that spool with a sharp top. 5 is this kind of a T-pin, key pin combobulation, I'd say. Drivers, double serrated in 1, spool in 2, single serration in 3, spool in 4, double serrated in 5, and all the springs seem to be, well, they look copper or brass. Something of the sort. Okay, again, Cameron Dunn, thank you so much, buddy, for making this lock and sending it to me. It'll be going out to a picker near you very soon. All right, everybody, that's it. Big Al, signing out.